Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the laptop stays powered. Plug it in and confirm battery is above 50% so updates won't pause. Once done, quickly back up essential files to OneDrive or an external drive. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. This triggers download of applicable feature and quality updates. Do that first so the system can fetch required files while you move to the next steps. You should let Windows download the updates and monitor progress in Settings. This avoids surprises. Meanwhile, open Lenovo Vantage. It often bundles firmware and driver updates that Windows Update misses. Install any recommended BIOS or driver packages because they ensure hardware compatibility. Make sure to close heavy apps and free at least 20 GB of disk space for large feature updates. That reduces install failures. Once the download's complete, Windows will prepare for installation. Keep the machine. When ready, click Install Now or schedule a restart for a time that won't interrupt work. The installer will reboot the laptop multiple times, so let it complete. After sign in, open Device Manager and Windows Update History to verify drivers and updates installed correctly. This confirms stability. If something goes wrong, like a failed install or boot issue, use System Restore to roll back or uninstall the problematic update from Update History and reapply it. One key tip: keep Lenovo Vantage handy to reinstall vendor fixes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.